Kamiensky Zavod was founded in the late 17th century as a settlement next to the cast iron smelting factory and foundry commissioned on October 15. For the first 2 centuries of existence it was known for its cannons. Kamensk was granted city status in 1935 and renamed Kamensk-Uralsky in 1940. Kamensk-Uralsky is one of the fastest growing cities in the oblast. Industrial production includes fuel energy and metallurgical complex, machinery construction, electronics, light and food industry, transport and communication. The most developed industry is metallurgical production, particularly non-ferrous metallurgy, which occupies 69% of the total volume of industrial production of the city and 12% of the oblast. Four main companies account for 75% of the total value of industrial production. Synthesite, a producer of steel, stainless steel and cast iron pipes, is recognized as one of the G7 among the biggest specialized plants in Russia. The annual number of contracts entered the manufacture and shipment amounts to over 3,000, covering more than 12,000 items. Synthesite products are widely used in oil and gas production works, machine building plants, power plants and many other construction and public services organizations. The Sinarsky Pipe Works is a modern, reliable, dynamic and developing enterprise.